Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if the Instagram app is not working or opening properly on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or some other device, in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button. And now go down and select the apps tile and select where it says all apps, and then scroll down again and locate the Instagram app and select where it says storage and cache. Select a clear cache item right here and then restart Instagram and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, you can come back in here and select clear storage, which will basically just delete the app data, and you would select delete, basically a factory reset of the whole application. You would relaunch Instagram again at that point, and then hopefully the problem would have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.